Hey guys, this is Rich from Rich TV Live. We are looking at the two monsters, Tesla and Apple, after their forward splits today, after their historic forward splits on the same day. Look at Tesla. Unbelievable. As predicted, exactly as I predicted, Tesla has been nothing short of brilliant again. And you can see that Tesla is at $495. Unbelievable what Tesla's done here. Opening up at $440 after the forward split, and now already back to $495. It is a feeding frenzy. People, experts everywhere are saying, don't chase. I told everybody it was a buy. Clearly it's a buy. Clearly it's a buy. Clearly it's a buy. Clearly it's a buy. So why would Tesla be a buy? Well, it was at $2,200 and they did a 5-to-1 forward split, went down to 440. I told everyone it was immediately a buy. Why? Because everybody wants to buy Tesla again at 440. Nobody wants to buy Tesla at 2,200. That's why they did the forward split in the first place. This is why Elon Musk is a genius. Elon Musk is a genius, and this is just free money at this point. Another 11.75% gain for investors on Tesla today. Congratulations to everyone on another winning pick on Tesla. And how about Apple? Told you guys Apple was my number 2 pick for September 2020. Tesla, my number 1 pick for September 2020. I had friends calling me today already up early. Rich, I'm up. I'm going to sell. I'm like, why are you selling? Apple was at 500. Now it's at 124, 125. And they got in and it was up. And I'm like, why are you selling? Everybody wants to buy Apple at 130 right now. You don't need to sell this. This is not something you need to sell. I don't think you're really thinking rationally if you're thinking about selling this. This is not something you need to sell, guys. This is the type of stock that people are going to buy and hold. This is the type of stocks that institutions are going to buy and hold. This is the type of stocks that investors are going to buy and hold. So you don't need to rush to sell your Apple at $130. It was just at $500. Everybody wants to get their hands on Apple. This is why they're my number 2 pick for September 2020. And clearly, Apple up 4%. Tesla up 11.5%. Investors agree. Anybody who said sell Tesla, where are you now? Where are you now? This is about momentum. Yo, what's up, Pluto Mines? How you doing? I'm feeling great today. My number 1 pick, Tesla, exploding exactly like I predicted. And my number 2 pick, Apple, also having a monster day. And I'm feeling great about it. You could see here Tesla trading at 494. Monster day for Tesla. And Apple, you can see here, trading at $130, up 4%. So big days for both Apple and Tesla. Everybody wants to buy them again because they're lower than they were before. Simple. Everyone, institutions, investors, everybody wants to get their hands on these picks. How about some of our other picks? I'll give you guys some of our other picks since you're here. Control Energy. Did the CEO interview last year at 50 cents. How about today it hit over $2? That's right. Up another 32%. My number 10 pick for September 2020, up 32% today alone. How about Baby, one of my top picks last year, brought it to at 30 cents. Today it hit well over $3.30, a 10x, 1,000% gainer for our community. Congratulations to everybody on Baby, plant-based baby formula. You know I love plant-based stocks. How about Portofino Resources? Brought you this pick last week. Today it exploded 16%. Told you guys I love this pick, and bam, there she goes. CRDL did the CEO interview last week at 227. Told you they'd be a winner. Phase 1 FDA approval for COVID-19. Heart, focus on the heart. Cardio therapeutics focusing on the heart, with now also a focus on COVID-19, the perfect storm, tight float, tight share structure. I did the CEO interview at 227. Today it hits $3. One of my top 10 picks for September 2020. Already screaming. How about Doc? Another one of my picks for September 2020, up 7% today. Telemedicine stock, love these guys. Enormous potential for these guys, enormous upside. Congratulations to all members on Cloud MD software. It just continues to give. It just gives. How about Very Good Food? Told you guys I love plant-based foods. Full disclosure, I'm a shareholder. I own 23,000 shares. I love plant-based foods. I believe Very Good Food is the next Beyond Meat. You heard it here first. I brought it to you at $1. It's now at $1.50. It's been as high as $2.50. It's been as high recently as $2. I believe it goes back to $2 in the next 30 to 60 days, maybe as high as $2.50. You heard it here first from your boy Rich. Plant-based food stocks are hot. Very Good Food, having a day. And look at Tesla, $4.95. What a monster Tesla has been for the community. Congratulations to all members. We were ready. I told everybody get in. If you were listening, you were winning. And congratulations to all of you for getting in and winning. And look at Very at 154, now up 9%. Somebody's watching and somebody's listening somewhere. That's all I gotta say. Tats, brought you guys Tat at pre-IPO. Told you guys they were going to be a beast. It was at 41 cents when I brought it to everyone first in our community. Today it hit 91 cents, up 8%. Beyond Tobacco, another disruptive company. You guys see the trend here with my picks? I like disruptive stocks. I like disruptive sectors. I like technology. And that's why I love companies like Tesla. Electric cars, that's disruptive. Control Energy, with a COVID-19, not a test kit, but a COVID-19 solution to the problem. This is why the stock is screaming. ALYI, another stock that we're talking about in our community, a penny stock. Be careful with penny stocks. But this one has been screaming. Put on your watches, put it on your radar. On fire today. It was way higher. I'm not saying it can't go back up or go down. But you could see this thing was a sub penny. High as almost 6 cents today. Now at 4, up 46%. Look at Modern Meats, another plant-based food stock that I talked to you guys about. Huge volume on it today, up 51% on the day for Modern Meat. If you bought the dip and you are now able to sell the rip, congratulations to you. Quickly look at Tesla, $4.95. Everyone's talking about Tesla everywhere, all over the news. I'm watching the news right now. Everybody's talking about Tesla. Everybody's talking about Apple. experts everywhere saying, don't buy it, don't chase it. Why would you chase it? What are you thinking? Don't chase, don't chase. Well, if you don't chase it, then where do you make money? Yeah, baby's on fire, brother. Yo, what's up, Johan? We're just gonna watch Apple going into the close. I want to see how everything is going to trade here. We're going to watch it very, very carefully right into the close. Apple and Tesla, and any other picks you guys want me to look at, so let me know. And we are live and we are watching the markets. I'm watching the closing bell on MSNBC, and we are literally going to watch the markets right into the close, folks. And guys, if you want access to these picks that I talk about before they explode, you can get access to all these picks. And look at, we're going to see Tesla probably go right to 500, folks. We may see Tesla go right to 500. Right now, Tesla at 496. It did hit a high of 497, so we're very close to the high of the day, folks. 496.80, 497. 497 is the high of the day, so we're about to see the high of the day. You know what, let me pull up two charts here, actually. So the markets are pretty flat overall, but the big names, Tesla and Apple, are performing well. And those are the ones that I've been focused on. I've been talking to our community about. And if you want to get access to these types of picks first, you can join our trading academy. Email me at richtvlive@gmail.com. And I would love to have you be a part of our team. We're looking for the smartest, sharpest minds on the planet. We're looking for network marketers. We're looking for traders. We're looking for people that want to learn how to trade Forex, gold, stocks, indexes, you name it, we do it. Cryptocurrencies. So at the end of the day, we're looking for the sharpest minds on the planet. We are now evolving as a trading academy and as a community. I mean, we have really evolved as far as the companies that we look at, the companies that we talk about, the results of the companies that are on our show have been phenomenal. You can actually go to richtvlive.com now and see all of our picks are there, fully transparent, fully public, Red and Rich TV's picks. Any pick that I really believe in, I'm going to put on my site here. And you can see I have 76 picks so far in 2020. Average pick is up 136%. These are momentum trades. These are 5 and 10% scalps or more. And when you see those profits, what we do is we teach you to take them. You can see all of our picks. It's a combination of companies that we've talked about, interviewed, mining companies, tech companies, plant-based food companies, electric vehicle companies. And these are some of the biggest and the best companies in the world, and some of the most undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed companies in the world that we have featured and we've talked about on our show since January 2020. And our goal is to become the most powerful community of investors on the planet. And love to have you guys get access to our picks here, absolutely free on richtvlive.com. You guys can also join our membership on YouTube, or you can email me at richtvlive@gmail.com, and you can join our trading academy where you can get access to all of these picks first every day in the group, and where we can talk about the picks, analyze the picks. And I'm coming to you guys now after a long day of already having massive success with our members. And once we're done the trading day, then what we do is we get into gold trading, Bitcoin trading, Forex trading, index trading like the Dow Jones, the US 30, German markets. So it's pretty exciting. We have so much evolution happening within our community right now. And you can see it, like our picks are winning nonstop. In advance today, I did a top 10 picks Tesla was my number one pick for September 2020. Today, Tesla has gone up now 12%. Look at Tesla now up 12% and screaming after a forward split of 5-1 from $2,200 down to $440 where it opened today. And I called the buy well in advance for everybody. And now they have done it again, and they've continued to scream post forward split, an amazing 12% for Tesla. Unbelievable what these guys are doing. Absolutely unbelievable. Elon Musk continues to separate himself, in my opinion, from everyone else on the planet. I mean, he just is on another level. And clearly, I mean, look at what he's done. Apple's had an amazing day. I mean, Apple just did a forward split and they're up 3.6%. But look at what Tesla's doing, up 11.7%. It's just unheard of what Tesla's doing. Absolutely unheard of what Tesla's doing. It's absolutely mind-boggling, actually, what Tesla's doing. But it was almost expected. I mean, I did say they were my number one pick for September for a reason. And that's because they have a brilliant leader in Elon Musk that is thinking 50 years ahead of his time and doesn't believe that anything is impossible. Elon does not believe that anything is impossible. He has already done the impossible. And I believe he will continue to, and we can ride this gravy train. This is our generation's gravy train. Why wouldn't you be buying Tesla if it's going up 10%, 12% every single day? Why wouldn't you be buying Tesla? When it was at $2,200 on Friday, why wouldn't you buy it at $440? Why wouldn't you buy Apple at $124 when it was at $500 on Friday? So these were no-brainer buys as far as I'm concerned, and I'm very pleased and I'm very happy that it has gone exactly as I predicted. Exactly as I predicted. And that makes me happy because that means members are winning, and congratulations to all members, because that's why we do this. It's to help people win. Tesla really stealing the show today, up 12% right now. Just screaming. There it is. Cardiol Therapeutics did the CEO interview at $2.27 and is now at $2.99. Love it. Absolutely love it. When CEOs come on the show and then the stocks explode, that makes me really happy. That makes me really, really happy. So we just hit a high of 497.50 on Tesla for the day. We're right now at 496. Let's see if we can break 500 by the end of the day. I don't know if we're going to have enough time, but you never know. It's got a lot of momentum. Boom, 497. There it is. 497. There it is. 497, 498. Wow. Okay, I'm going to get off of, we're just going to go on one chart here. We're just going to look at Tesla and see this go right to 500, folks. Here it is. Here's the surge going into the close. We're going to 500 on Tesla. Let's go. Wow. Tesla is mind boggling. Wow. Tesla is just on a mission. I think we go on to 500, folks. I think it's very likely that Tesla's going to 500. What do you guys think? Tesla fighting to hit 499. It did hit 499. It just hit the tape at 499 and then got a little bit of selling pressure. Let's see if we can hit back to 500 here. I'm going to put some Fibonacci's on here. It's the 1 minute fibs. So if we rip through the 499, I think that we go right to 500. So let's see. Let's see if we can rip through that 499. Oh, it's getting some selling pressure right now. Still quite a lot of time here till the end of the day. Wow. Total coronavirus cases in the United States have topped 6 million. Brutal. It's not good. Looks like a little bit of selling pressure coming in right now on Tesla. We did hit a high of 499. We're currently at 497. If we do get under this line here, it definitely could fall back down to 496 zone. Oh, look at that. Huge amount of selling pressure coming in right now. Let's see if this is going to maintain this sell-off or if we're going to just be a dip buy and then see this shoot back up. I think it'll just go back up. I think this will be a dip and then it'll create a dip buy opportunity where you'll see it do something like this. And then I have a feeling we see it go to 500. I'd be wrong, but I just have a feeling we're going to see this go to 500. It's a mental thing, you know, to get to 500 from 440. If we can get to 500, that's like the first big barrier. I think we're going to see this go to 500 right now. I really do in the next 20 minutes. So let's see if I'm right or wrong. So that was the dip. Let's see if we see a rip here now. And if we break that 499 mark, I think we're just going to, just a momentum alone, just go right to 500. So let's see. See if this candle will continue this momentum. Here we go. We're about to hit $4.99. Here we go. $4.99. Here we go. Wow. For whatever reason, every time it hits that $4.99, it's getting a lot of selling pressure. That candle could not break that $4.99. Seems like that $4.99 seems to be a resistance point. Hey, Lisa, good work. Congratulations. I'm happy for you. Are you happy with both buys? Take a look at Portofino Resources, guys. Now up 20%. Brought you that pick last week. Baby on fire up 20%. Control Energy, another one of my picks I brought you guys, up 33%. Modern Meats up 55% right now. Very having a nice day. So very big day for our community today. Congratulations for all members. A lot of our picks had really big, strong days today. And our number one pick for September 2020, Tesla, having a monster day today, up 12%. We've hit a high of $4.99. Currently, we are struggling to hit that $4.99 again. Seems as though every time we get to that $4.99 mark, we're getting resistance, selling pressure. I do believe we could and we will hit 500. We've come so close. Why not? But I might be wrong. We'll see. We got close. We got to $4.99. So if we don't hit the 500, I was $1 off. Oh, you're having trouble buying Tesla? That sucks. Good day for them, that's for sure. Could have bought options on them today and made a killing right at the open. Tesla selling off now. Like I said, getting a lot of selling pressure around that $4.99 mark. But there's just so much pressure. There's so much buying pressure driving these up. It doesn't really want to go down much lower than $4.97. Starting to see quite a lot of support around that range. Seems to get support like right around this range. Bouncing off this line. And then the second zone is right here. See that? See how that candle doesn't have the ability to just push down below this line? Seems as though there's a lot of buying pressure from this line. So this line is acting like a buy line because every time it gets to this line, it seems to want to kind of bounce off this line a little bit. You can see. And then you can make another line right here. Another buy line right here. So like these are like the two buy lines. For every time these candles get to this point, it bounces. So you can see it's bouncing off that line already. And look, now green candles are developing and forming. So we'll see what happens here going into the close. See if I'm going to be right and if we're going to get to that 500 mark or if we're going to fall short. We did get to 499, which is pretty close. We were $1 away, but I want to hit that 500. I don't know if we will, but I'd like to hit it. Let's see. We need some big green candles. There we go. There's a start. There we go. Just need a surge right now. These are very bullish candles. Oh. Modern Meat up 59%. Control Energy up 33%. ALYI up 31%. Baby up 20%. Portofino Resources up 20%. IDK up 16%. Zenibus up 10%. Silver Dollar Resources up 9%. Cardiol Therapeutics up 8%. DocMD up 8%. Very Good Food up 7.8%. Cat Lifestyle and Wellness up 7%. Just some of the stocks that we're looking at right now, and Apple up 4%. Apple, oops. Apple at $130, up 4%. My number 2 pick for September 2020. And Tesla, the monster of the day, flirting with 500 and up 12.4%. It has gone as high as 499, currently at 497.60. Let's see if we can break the 500 or if we're going to fall short on the first day after the forward split. I always like to see what happens after market as well to see if it's just going to continue to go up or down after market. Sometimes it might not finish at 500 and then right after market it might have another surge and you could see it go to 502 or it could go down. So we'll see. It's always interesting to see how the market's going to close. But look at this big sell-off, big red candle now. See if it'll break those green candles that I put there, which are like buying candles, buying points. Every time it gets to those levels, it seems as though that's when the buying comes in. Let's see if they can break those lines or if they'll just surge off those buy lines. Nice. You got some Apple? Very's earnings are tomorrow. Well, hopefully they're going to be massive. That would be exciting. So I got my shares and I'm ready. You can see Tesla here having a little bit of a sell-off, ripping through the buy lines now. Look at this. Big sell-off here. Now it's bouncing off this buy line. Oh, it's ripping through that buy line. Wow. Well, here comes the sell-off here. Well, that was a big sell-off. We were just at $4.99, now down to $4.95. See those two huge red candles? Massive bullish engulfing candles. Wow, Canadian dollar up for the fifth. Wow, Canadian dollar up for the fifth straight day in a row versus the US. That's very strong for the Canadian dollar. Tesla back to 496. Am I going to go live with Very's earnings? I wasn't planning to. I'd rather just let that fly under the radar and hopefully the stock just explodes. I'm not looking to bring too much attention to those guys. Hopefully they can do that for themselves. But you never know. We'll see. Depends on how good they are, guys. I have no idea how good they're going to be, but I hope they're good. Look at this big surge all of a sudden, 497. These buy lines seem to be pretty strong. As you can see, the big green bullish engulfing candle now coming back up here on the 1 minute. Wow, look at Modern Meat up 61% on massive volume. Massive volume. Plant-based foods, guys. Control Energy up 31%. Baby up 20%. Portofino Resources up 20%. Tesla screaming up right now. Wow, look at it go. Look at this candle. Look at this candle. Boom, 498. Can Tesla hit 500? Up $55 on the day. Wow, Tesla. You know what? I'm always looking to take profits. If the profits are juicy enough, I'm going to take them. So I'm not really the type of guy that likes to hold anything long term. I like to sell when I see profits. So yeah, that's something that I don't think I'll be holding long term. No. But if I like a stock long term, I'll trade it long term. I'll trade it up, trade it on the way up, and just keep making money on the way up. But just keep taking my cash along the way to protect myself and not get myself in a situation where I'm holding the bag, buying something too high up. I don't like to do that. Look at Tesla, folks. Big, big, powerful candle right now. We're about to hit 498. Here we go. Remember, the high of the day is 499. We're up 12.5%, folks. We're just absolutely flying here with Tesla. Our number one pick for September 2020 has not disappointed, shooting out of the gates today. As I predicted they would, I'm not surprised, but I'm extremely pleased. Wow, Canada signs deals with Novavax, NVAX, and Johnson & Johnson for vaccine candidates. Wow, that's huge. for Novavax and Johnson & Johnson. So keep them on your radar. $498.50. Here we go, folks. Here we go, folks. That line that you see there at $4.99, that is the high of the day. Will we break that line? We're so close. Let's see if we can get it. Here we go. We're heading to the close. Can we break the high of the day of $499? Here we are, $498.50. $498.60. There it is. Big surge. There it is. There it is. Here we go. $4.99. Let's see if we can break $4.99. $4.99 is the high of the day. Let's see if we break the high of the day. Let's go. Seems to get selling pressure right at $4.99. There it is. We touch $4.99 and immediately bounces back down. Do you see that? As soon as it hits $4.99, it bounces down. That is selling pressure at $4.99. There is hedge funds, institutions, sellers sitting there at $4.99. They won't let it break that wall. Here we go. Will we break the wall now? Finally. Here it is. Here's our chance. Here's our chance. $4.99. It hit it again and immediately bounced down. $4.91 breaks through. We broke through. I told you 500's coming. Here it is. 500. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. $499.98. Oh, come on. I called 500. We hit $499.98. Come on. Let's see. 500. Let's go, Tesla. You can do it. 500. Let's go. $499.98. How close is that for technical analysis, eh, guys? Boom, it broke 500, folks. As predicted, live, Tesla just broke $500 after opening up at $440. We just saw Tesla live break $500, now up 12.6% on the day. Congratulations to all members. Our number one pick for September 2020 in our top 10 list on Saturday, screaming out the gate as I predicted they would. Tesla having a monster day, hitting 500 US and up right now $56 on the day and 12.66%. Congratulations to all investors on Tesla. This is a magical day for Elon Musk, Tesla, all of its shareholders, employees, and anyone who believes in Tesla all over the world. An absolute vote of confidence that electric vehicles are not only game-changing, but they are here to stay for good. Yeah, man, I'm excited, man. Like, hey, listen, man, when I give everyone a pick and then it goes up and everybody makes money, that makes me happy. So that's what this is about for me. For me, it's about helping people win, helping people make money, helping people see the markets and helping people make good decisions. So when I can tell people, hey guys, Tesla's a buy, and then Tesla goes up 12%, that makes me happy. Now, if Tesla went down 12% today, I wouldn't be so happy right now. Hey, Jose, congratulations, man. I'm glad that you took my advice and you got in. Are you happy you got in? I'm pretty sure everyone that bought Tesla and Apple is pretty happy that they got in today. Here we go, Tesla at the close. $4.99. Here we go, big surge. Will we see 500? Minutes away from the close, will Tesla close at 500? Currently at 499.42. Wow, Modern Meat just hit $4.10, up 67%. And look at the surge by Tesla. Wow, Modern Meat up 70%, guys. Symbol meat in Canada. Modern Meat is screaming up 71%. Wow. Tesla at 498.50 right now, just actually having a little sell-off here right before the close. We are minutes away from the close, folks. VYST, a penny stock that I've been watching very closely, just bouncing off the bottom right now, guys. VYST. We are about to come to the close here, folks. Just watching Tesla right into the close, up 12.4%. It did hit 500.02 temporarily, but has been struggling to maintain that $500 price point. Seems to get selling pressure right around $500. We are down to the final minutes of the close for the day and the last trading day for August 2020. will be in the books in literally minutes. Let's take a look at Apple. Also a strong day for Apple. My number 2 pick for September 2020, up 3.7%. They're up post split, and so is Tesla. So very successfully, both companies do forward splits, and both companies immediately go up right after split. One of the picks that's really screaming at the close is Modern Meat, another plant-based food stock, having a big volume day today, traded up 68%. Monster day for them. Portofino Resources up 16%. I brought you that pick. Control Energy up 31%. I brought you this pick first at 50 cents last year when I interviewed the CEO. Baby, monster close for Baby, up 24%. Brought you this pick last year at 30 cents. Now officially up over 1,000% since I brought you the pick. How about Teladoc, telemedicine services? Brought you guys this pick, up 8%. Congratulations to members on Teladoc. Or Cloud MD software, symbol DOC, a telemedicine stock. And at the close, we're looking at Tesla just surging here at $4.98. Let's see what it does all the way into the close. Tesla almost at $4.99. The market is officially closed. Congratulations to all members on another winning day, a monster day for members. Look at meat. Wow, up 70%. Unbelievable day for meat. Modern Meat from 263 all the way to 417. ALYI finished up 44% on the day. Very nice day for ALYI. As you can see, Control Energy up 31%. Monster day for Control Energy. That just keeps going. Baby, plant-based baby formula, up 24%. Monster day for them. Portofino Resources, brought it to you last week, up 16%. IDK members know about this pick, up 12%. And Silver Dollar Resources, up 9%. Members are well aware of that pick. And Cloud MD Software, big strong close, nice big candle at the close, and up 9.5%. Another strong day. One of my top 10 picks for September. Didn't disappoint. Finished August on the right track. And Very, I'm a big fan. I'm a shareholder. I do own 23,000 shares of Very. Congratulations to members on Very today, up 8.5%. Vegaste, a plant-based food stock, another one, up 8% today. And TAT, Lifestyle and Wellness, one that I've told you a lot about, up 7% today. Cardio Therapeutics, another one that I brought to you guys first, did the CEO interview last week, up 8% today, finished at 298. Big day for Cardio Therapeutics. Thank you guys. If you're not winning, you're probably not watching. We bring you the winners and we bring them to you first. Thank you guys. This is Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace. If you guys want to get access to our picks, you can go to richtvlive.com, where we got all our picks under Rich's Picks. And you can see all our picks are updated there. You can see CRDL was just added last week. You can see some of our picks, POR, which is up today, SHLL, which is up today, some of our picks that are having nice days today, and my new picks for September 2020 will be added shortly. Thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Monster day for Tesla, and it's now over $500 as I predicted. Look, aftermarket, what is it doing, folks? Now up to 502. Literally predicted that. Said it'll probably just go up after market. Look, aftermarket now up to $502 aftermarket, and I believe this continues and continues and continues because everybody and their sister is buying Tesla. This is your boy Rich from Rich to Be Live. Let's see what Apple's doing. Are they still going? Yeah, Apple's up aftermarket too. So Apple's continues to climb aftermarket. Tesla continues to climb aftermarket. And I believe they will both continue to climb. Thank you guys. This is Rich from Rich to Be Live. My number one pick for September 2020, Tesla, already on fire. And my number two pick for September 2020, Apple, already on fire. My number 10 pick for September 2020, Control Energy, on fire, up 31% today. Cardial Therapeutics, another one of my top 10 for September 2020, on fire today. And another one of the picks, Doc Cloud MD Software, one of my top 10 picks for September 2020. Monster day today as well, up 9.5%. Thank you guys. I'm out. Peace.